and the feet are now functioning correctly, which is what Mrs. Maker wanted. She doesn't want a damaged floor, and she doesn't want... Hello everybody, here's a little follow-up video for that plastic plug that we bought for the couch. Here's how the couch currently looks, and the reason why is because the old plugs disintegrated. So what we're going to do is take the new ones and pop them in, just like that. Great success. Looks fantastic. I'll use a little hammer to finalize the... Oh no, I could just push it in with my finger. There we go. That looks great. So here's what it's going on to, and I am really looking forward to doing the rest of the legs. Well, here we are with the couch refit. What we did was ended up buying 20 of these little feet that fit inside the tubular steel of the couch legs. I ended up having to remove some of the old ones. As you can see, this is brittle and broken and falling apart. So that's what happened with all of the feet. So what we ended up having to do while we were waiting, we noticed this started to happen, so I wrapped the legs of the couch in these paper kind of enclosures to prevent the floor from getting scratched, and then we ordered these. So these guys have been protecting the floor. Once the new caps came in, I had to remove the old caps. This is just an example. The bottom is gone. It's just the stem, just this little piece, the stem here. And I used some simple tools to do it. I used a pair of needle nose pliers and a pick. And I reseated or seated the new feet with this hammer that I had. So that's the couch refurb. Now the feet of the couch look just great. Here we go. Very nice looking. And as you can see, the floor is protected. So I would say that this has been a completely successful micro project, in the sense that it's all good. The couch is now in place, looking nice. And the feet are now functioning correctly, which is what Mrs. Maker wanted. She doesn't want a damaged floor, and she doesn't want paper wrapped feet. So I'm pretty happy to deliver that to her. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and leaving me a comment. I really enjoy making these videos, and I want to know from you how I can make them better. The whole point of these videos is to demonstrate that if I can do something, you can do it too. Well, that's it for now. So long, and remember, keep making.